What's up, guys? This is Manoj Kumar back again. Today we are going to see an error in Xampp. So, why this error first arise? First, let us see the error. So, let me start Xampp. Now it shows error starting Xampp stuck. Show details. Cannot calculate MAC address and blah blah blah. Something. Okay. Why this error occurs? This is because of the new updated version of the macOS. The bitnami developers are trying to fix this error. Before that, they have launched a temporary hyperkit. We can use that now. As of now, we can use it until the stable version is released. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we should open our terminal. And I have some piece of code to run. So first we have to get into the temp folder, tmp folder. Yeah, the temp folder. If I hit in ls, it shows we have the tmp folder here. So let me just enter into that. Shows here ls. See, we have few folders here. We don't need those things. We just have to install the hyperkit using this link. We will just run this command here. I will just hit enter. Yeah, it is downloading now. Yeah, it is downloaded. Okay, now if I enter ls, we will see the hyperkit testing. Yeah, this directory or folder, whatever it may be. Now we have to check the hash for this to make sure this is the original version developed by the bitnami developers. So we will just check using this command. Yeah, it shows the result. So you guys can see that it is the same as this result. So the output should be same. Then only this is the original kit which is developed by the bitnami developers. So we are good to go. This is original. So now we can just move this hyper to the original uh, directory using this link. Yeah, we will just hit enter. Okay, that's all. We have just moved it, and we have to give the permission for that hyperkit to just launch. That's it. Using chmod, I will give this permission. That's all. We are all done. Now I will launch Xampp. Now if I hit start, we just close this, and yeah, we'll just open it here. Now if I enter start, it must start. Yeah, boom, we are in. Now we can start the apache server, we can enable the local host, and we can just mount it. So guys, you guys have to note one thing. If you have any files under htdocs, you have to copy it and have a backup of that files. This is a beta version, so this may be unstable. So have a backup of every files which you are working on it. Thank you. If you have started the Apache server successfully, then make sure you have subscribed to our channel. Thank you.